So guys, here we have our beautiful giveaway winner, yes, for the install. And today is the big day, so stay tuned. So this is the hair, and of course the sponsor of the hair was Crochet Braids Plus. So let's see the color that she got. This is the Yankee twist, and this is the color Spice, which is essentially a 1B 350 blend, which you can see the dark 1B color with the nice orangey highlights. So yeah, super duper excited. So I'm gonna jump right into the video, guys, no delay. Yes, so the process involves us doing the braid pattern for the crochet style, and the braid pattern of choice for today's look is the versatile braid pattern. And what that entails is me just braiding the sides and the back of her head upwards, and then the front you will just braid it back as you normally would, and the middle part is a beehive, and this helps to get a more versatile look. All right, and for a style as this, you definitely want to get as many styling options as possible. It is a shoulder length style, and so if you're wearing it down all the time, it can get a little bit monotonous. So just for the versatility aspect, we are giving her the versatile look. So I'm now moving on to doing the beehive, and for the beehive I'm just connecting all of those braids, the ones that were braided back and the sides that are braided up and the back that was also braided up. I'm just connecting all of those braids and just continue to part a circular section of hair and do that for each row until you end up with one piece of braiding hair. All right, so I'm just finishing that off for today. But guys, a little bit about the giveaway. So over the holiday, I did host a holiday giveaway, and we had quite a few participants. Yes, a number of entrants. But today's client is the person who was the winner. And the hair, as I mentioned before, was sponsored by Crochet Braids Plus, and she had the privilege, she had the liberty of selecting her color, she had the liberty of selecting the length that she desired. And so my only job today is to install the hair. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so the package comes with 5 bundles of the Yankee twist hair. And Yankee twist, if you have never ever used it before, trust me, if I have never recommended a hair before, this is a hair that I stand by. I've worn it time and time again, and it is reusable, and it is actually a miniature twist. It's a tiny micro twist, and it has that kinked look. So from afar, you would think it's just loose, kinky, curly hair, but it's actually twisted. I intentionally selected the brand because it's a brand that I stand by and one that I can attest to, and one that, you know, the quality is unquestionable. All right, so as you see me, I have started, I'm well underway with the installation. So this is how the loop of the hair is. You just open it at the top of the braid, and you literally just insert the crochet tool like so. Insert the tool, attach the loop, put it through, then you are going to insert the hair through the loop. And I literally, for the most part, only knot it once. There are instances where I actually double knot it, like around the edges, the perimeter of the head, and but otherwise, yeah, it's just one knot. So yeah, but guys, peep the color combination. Okay, peep the quality of the hair. This guys, no, this hair is definitely a win, never disappoints. And I did use almost all 5 packs. Can you believe it? Sometimes I use 4 of the 5 packs, but trust me, I did use almost 5. So my paparazzi husband decided to catch a video of us, yes, in action. But yeah, so we're finishing off the process, guys. I am actually at the very top, which is where I will be inserting or installing the middle part. And again, because the hair doesn't have two loose ends, yes, the hair is not an open stretch of hair or open piece of hair. The hair is twisted, so it doesn't allow for me to do my traditional or my typical knotless or invisible part method. And so what I have to do is make sure to install the hair very, very close to each other. And I do this thing where once I knot the hair, I pull it over to the middle of the part and tighten it, and then I flip it. And that gives it somewhat of a more voluminous look at the roots and at the part, and that will help to give the illusion as if it's knotless. And guys, this is how the style turned out. This is the medium length. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before. And the medium length is 12 inches long. The color, the spice, is spicing right now. I promise you. I am in love with the nice, subtle hint of just vibrance that the color gives. And this is what the front looks like. Yes. So she is rocking a middle part, and I think this is such a very comfortable length. It is very much lightweight. You literally feel nothing on your head when you're wearing this style, and it is just easy to manage. It is very low maintenance, and it is just one of the absolute best styles. So look at the versatility. Once she pulls it up into a ponytail, she will actually give the illusion as if it is individuals. And of course, you can do your side part option. So overall, the braid pattern will allow for you to, get a lot of versatility as mentioned before. But thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned. She is really feeling herself. But follow my channel if you're not yet following, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye.